If you've served in the military and were deployed to a combat zone within the past few years, you may qualify for hundreds of dollars in tax credits. It's called a credit for military service in a combat zone. The credit is worth $120 for each month or portion of a month you served in a combat zone or hazardous duty area. There are 3 requirements to qualify for the credit. You served in a combat zone or qualified hazardous duty area anytime on or after January 1st, 2017. The pay you received is considered combat pay by the IRS. Your home of record was in Minnesota during your military service. The credit can be submitted separately from your individual income tax return, even if you are not required to file a return. You have up to 3.5 years from the time of service to claim the credit before it expires. For example, if you served in a combat zone for service in 2017, the credit will expire October 15, 2021. Individual circumstances may provide additional time to file for the credit. To claim the credit, complete Form M99 for each year you served. You'll need to include either a copy of Form DD-214, Certificate of Release or Discharge from Active Duty for each period of qualifying service, or a copy of your leave and earnings statement for each month of qualifying service. And starting in 2021, you can file Form M99 Credit for Military Service electronically through our e-services system. Just select Credit for Military Service under Refunds. For more information about the credit for military service in a combat zone, visit our website at revenue.state.mn.us and enter Combat Zone in the search box. You can email your questions to us at individual.incometax@state.mn.us or call 651-296-3781 or 1-800-652-9094.